How to connect two Bluetooth speakers to one phone, which is Samsung. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, ensure you have paired two Bluetooth speakers. Swipe down on your screen to access your quick panel and tap on Media Output. Ensure you have selected both audio outputs to start playing music from both Bluetooth. Make sure there's tick mark in the circle. Select two audio output. Once it's connected, you'll be able to play music from the Bluetooths. And this is how to connect two Bluetooth speakers to one Samsung phone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.